Here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, rear view camera, heated mirrors, MP3. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock brakes, power driver's seat, backup camera, traction control, air conditioning, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, driver airbag, alloy wheels, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.